Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Feminine Myths Oracle by Anna Novaez. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that name correctly. This retails for $28.95 in the US and it is published by Blue Angel, 50 cards in a guidebook. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way, and of course down in the description box below I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. The Song of the Goddess has echoed since the beginning of time. Now she is here in her kaleidoscope expression to guide you home to your courageous heart. In this boldly illustrated oracle, feminine deities across many cultures have been uniquely reimagined with a surrealist twist to inspire your multifaceted gifts. Receive guidance from these all-seeing, shape-shifting beings who share the mythic stories of ancient Greece, Ireland, Haiti, Yorubaland, Japan, and beyond. Each card's messenger, accompanied by their animal, elemental, celestial, and botanical allies, brings primordial wisdom to help you navigate toward the visions of your soul. Traditional maidens, mothers, and crones, as well as enigmatic heroines and gender-fluid spirits dance through this deck. Celebrate the many faces, bodies, and colors of the feminine while witnessing your own dynamic beauty and divine potential in their reflection. I'm excited. All right. Just a piece of paper. Okay. Oh, that is a really cool way to do a guidebook. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, and there's the cards. Before we do the card flip through, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook to make sure we know what we're getting into. Okay, table of contents here, the acknowledgments, introduction, and how to use the cards, and then it goes into the card meanings. I see a lot of familiar goddesses on here. Awesome. When visually representing the goddesses, my choices come from an intuition that has inhabited my unconscious for a long time. I tried to capture each goddess an instant before they became what we already know about them, before they showed themselves to the world. That's why these 50 cards were inspired by the cultural references, but without using all of the traditional imagery and iconography. The goddesses in this deck are artistically represented by their primal energies. I believe that all the aspects of life addressed in this oracle are essential for lasting changes. This flow of communication with the goddesses offers pulsating possibilities available in the palm of our hands and hidden in our wild hearts. Awesome. When you pull a card before you look up its message in the guidebook, how about spending time with just the image of the goddess? Notice how you feel and what this visual representation stirs in you. That's really awesome. Okay, so, you can use this however you want. The cards is an open door. Okay, let's get into it. It's a matte, cards medium thickness, very flexible, and it's snapping back. And that's what the back of the card looks like. Black border, and we have just the goddess's name on the bottom. So we have Freya. Oh, and we have a number at the top. Isis. Persephone. I love the pomegranates. This is stunning. Oya. That little goat, oh my goodness. Oh, Hestia. These are all just stunning representations. I love that she has a little plant in her hand. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Okay. And what I like about this deck too is there's a lot of goddesses in here that I don't normally see in the other decks that I've gone through. So that's really neat to see. It's not very repetitive, if that makes sense. And not that that's a bad thing, but it's really nice to see a lot more in one deck. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a really cool depiction of Baba Yaga. Artemis. I really like this art style too. Very cool. Interesting. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah, very smooth. All right, let's get overhand. Oh, we're gonna read for Hecate. Some people pronounce it Hecate, Hecate. But yeah, it shuffles really nice. Okay, so a reminder of what the card art looks like. Okay, we have a keyword here with crossroads. Hecate speaks. I am Hecate, and what I bring you are not answers. I offer something much more important, the courage to make a choice when the time comes. You will never have all the information, so stop putting it off. Believe in yourself and follow your instinct. The message. The goddess Hecate is warning us of the danger of hesitating too long, of waiting for an ideal moment that may never come. Knowing that no one knows the future, Hecate advises us to trust ourselves and shows us that the courage to decide is as important as the decision itself. Hecate is an ancient Greek deity, goddess of magic and crossroads. She walks at night accompanied by her dogs and appears in her three forms, serpent, horse, and dog, for those who need to make an important choice. Okay, so that's why she is in that form depicted there. I like this. I think this is beautiful. I think the respect is there. And I do really like that it has like not only a keyword for the goddess, but having the goddess speak, you know, that's really a nice touch. And the message is great too. There's also background as well. Like it's enough to get you curious. And if you want to look further into that particular goddess or entity, you can. The art is stunning. The quality is there. I think it's beautiful. It is definitely a different type of goddess deck. And this feels more like reverent, if that makes sense. It feels more like honestly, more of a ritual tool, if you're feeling me with it. It feels like it's done very respectfully. And it feels like you're actually working with said goddesses. Like that would be a great thing if you are one who does work with a lot of these to use as a tool. So I'd love to know what your thoughts are. This feels like a very different goddess deck from the ones that I currently have. I think it's beautiful. I think it's definitely something that I'm excited to get to know. And I now would love to know your thoughts on this. Is this something that you're excited about? Do you feel the same way? What are your thoughts? Please let me know down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a moon emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.